Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Ngan.
Ngan. All right. So you're... Oh, is that your sister?
Yes.
Oh, so you are Ngan. Am I right? Your name is Ngan? Is teacher right? Your name is Ngan? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me, Nyan?
Yes.
Okay, so am I right? Did I say it right, Nyan?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have an English name?
Anne.
Anne, okay. So can I call you Anne?
Yes.
Okay, so hi, Anne.
Hi.
All right, so I will be your new teacher at Pantado, okay?
Okay.
So my name is Teacher Biang. Can you say it, please?
Yes.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. That's correct. So I will be your new teacher. My name is Teacher Biang. Okay, nice meeting you, Anne. Okay.
Nice to meet you too.
All right. So how old are you, Anne?
I'm 9 years old.
Oh, very good. You're a young lady, 9 years old. So teacher is 30. Okay, I am 30 years old. Okay. So, Anne, what grade are you in school?
In the Bascan school.
Oh, so what level are you in? Are you in grade 4, grade 5?
I'm on grade 4.
Oh, you are in grade 4. Okay, very good. All right, so let's begin our first lesson for tonight. Are you ready, Anne?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, wait. Let's open it one more time. Okay, so tonight we are having lesson number 1. The title is, can you read it, please? What is the title of our lesson for tonight? Can you see the screen, Anne? Can you see it? Okay, so what is the title of our lesson for tonight? It's Hello. Can you say it? Hello. So that is the title of our lesson for tonight, okay? So now let's start. Okay, so Anne. Okay, what are the different ways to say hello? Can you read the following words, Anne?
Good morning. Good afternoon.
And
good evening.
Okay, so these are some different ways to say hello, okay? We can say Hello, good morning. Hello, good afternoon, or hello, good evening, okay? All right, so Anne, I have a question for you. How do you say, oh, no. You know what? Teacher knows how to say hello in Vietnamese, you know?
Xin chào.
Yes, it's Xin chào. How about good morning? How do you say it?
Chào buổi sáng.
Oh, carefully. You teach teacher. How do you say it?
Chào buổi sáng.
Chào buổi sáng. Is that right? Chào buổi sáng.
Yes.
Okay, how about good afternoon? Can you teach me?
Chào buổi chiều.
Chào buổi chào.
Chào buổi chiều.
Chào buổi chào.
Chiều.
Chiều. Oh, chào buổi chiều.
Okay.
Ah, okay, that's great. How about good evening? How do you say that?
Chào buổi tối.
Chào buổi
Tối.
Chào buổi tối. Oh, so good evening is chào buổi tối. Okay, so thank you for that. And so now let's go to the next one. What do you say when you leave someone? Okay, so what do you say when you leave someone, Anne? Okay, you will say goodbye or tạm biệt. Right? Okay. So now we can also say goodbye, bye, see you later, or see you tomorrow. Okay, so can you say these words, Anne, please? Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, what's next?
Bye.
Goodbye. Okay, you say it. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Next one.
Bye.
Okay, and then?
See you later.
And then?
See you tomorrow.
Okay, very good. So how about you, Anne? When you leave the school, how do you say goodbye to your friends? How do you say goodbye to your friends when you go home after school? Do you say goodbye, see you tomorrow?
Goodbye.
Oh, okay. So you also say goodbye. Okay, so now, Anne, let's have this one. Goodbye. Oh, it says here, goodbye, friend, and hello, friend. Okay. So now let's begin. Okay, look at the picture, Anne. Can you see it? Okay. Oh, okay, Anne. When you have questions, just ask teacher, okay? And if you do not understand what am I saying, just ask me again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. And I always want, and what do you call this one? Can you talk always? Because you're so shy and you're so quiet. Is there any problem, Anne?
No.
Oh, okay. Just tell me if you have a problem, okay? Okay, so question number 1. Can you read it, please?
How many children are there in the playground?
Okay, how many children are there in the playground? So now, Anne, what is your answer?
6.
How many, Anne?
6.
Okay, answer is 6, correct. Next, number 2. Can you read it, please?
What is the building that's behind the children?
So what is that?
That's the school.
Okay, very good. It's the school. Now, number 3, and
How many grown-ups can you see? Mm.
So, how many grown-ups can you see?
1.
Okay, there's only 1. Okay, now, number 4.
Do you think she is a teacher? Yes.
Yes, okay, because she looks like a teacher because she's wearing a skirt and a uniform. Okay, now let's go to vocabulary. All right. I want you to listen first and then repeat what does it say, okay? So let's begin.
Sky.
Can you say it?
Sky.
Oh, what does it say? What word is that?
Sky.
Sky.
Sky. Very good. Next
Sky.
one. Oh. So that is a sky. Next one.
Seat. Seat.
Sky.
What is the second word?
Seat.
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 Okay,
Seat.
that is... Okay, next one. Number 3.
Skateboard. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Okay, next one. Number 4.
Backpack. Backpack.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Okay. Next one.
Bicycle. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Very good. Next one is
Grass.
grass. Okay.
Grass.
Grass.
And then next one
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
is sunglasses. And then
Sunglasses.
the last one is
Roof.
Roof.
okay, roof. So now let's talk about the first word. The first word is sky. Okay. So what do you think is a sky, Anne?
Yes.
What is a sky? In your own words, can you tell teacher what is a sky? What is it? Okay, again. So what is a sky, Anne? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anne? Anne, can you hear me? Hello, Anne.
Roof.
Anne, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anne? I can't. Remove your headset. So you will hear me. Okay, now Anne, can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, why do you wear that? Hmm? Is that connected to your computer, the headset?
No.
Ah, oh. Okay, so that's why you cannot hear me because you are wearing that, okay? So now let's continue, Anne. So what do you mean by sky? What is it? Based on the picture on the computer, what can you say about it?
I don't know.
Okay, so a sky, you can see there clouds, okay? A sky is made up of clouds. Can you say it? Clouds.
Yes.
Okay, so how about seat? What is a seat?
Board.
That you sitting down
Yes,
the chair.
yes, it's a chair or it's the one that we sit in. Okay, next one is skateboard. Oh, you can see that mostly in the street, right? Mostly boys use skateboard. It's a kind of sport or hobby, okay? How about backpack? What is a backpack, and okay, what is a backpack, and
I don't know.
oh, but backpack, that is a bag. We use that when we go to school, okay? We put the things inside it. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, bicycle. So do you have a bicycle, and
Yes.
wow. So what color is your bicycle?
It's pink.
Wow. Is it big or small?
It's small.
Okay, it's small. So, how do you go to school, and do you ride the bike or do you have school bus?
No.
How do you go to school?
My dad drives me to school.
Oh, your dad drives you to school. Very good. Next one is a grass. So, do you have a grass outside your house?
No.
No. Okay. Next one is sunglasses. So, what is a sunglasses?
It protects the eye
From?
out.
Okay, that's correct. It protects our eyes on very light objects like sun. Okay. And last one, and roof. So what is a roof, and what is a roof, and
I don't know.
oh, look at the top of your house. You look like that. You can see there a roof. It protects us from the rain and the sun. Okay. So now let's have the next activity. Present simple and present continuous. Okay, so now can you read the following words, and okay, so present. Okay, continue.
From.
Okay, Can you say it? Our teacher will be the one to explain it, okay? So now, present simple. Form is subject plus verb plus to be. Next one, subject plus don't or doesn't plus to be. Next one, do or does, okay? In the present continuous and subject plus to be plus verb ing. Next one, subject plus to be plus not ing. And last one is am, are plus subject plus verb ing. So let's study this one by one. Okay, first one. Okay, can you see the circle that I'm writing?
Yes.
Okay, so it means when you see a cross, it means it's positive, okay? So when we make a positive sentence and we use this one, okay? Subject, example. Anne is, okay. Anne uses her computer to be able to study English class. Okay? So that is an example of a positive sentence. Or one more, easier. Anne watches the TV to be entertained. Okay, so Anne, can you make an example using this first one, please? Okay, is it hard? Is it difficult? Anne, tell me if it's difficult, so that we can go to the next one. Okay, is it difficult, Anne? Oh, okay. So don't worry, wait. I will take a picture and this one, I will give this one as a homework. Okay, wait a minute. Teacher will take a photo. Okay, wait a minute. So that I can give you this one as a homework. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, finish. So now let's proceed to the next activity. Okay, so this is an example, and I, you, we, they work. I, you, we, they don't work. Okay, wait. I will take a photo so that you can have a guide when you answer. Okay, finish. Now let's continue and look at the picture. Where are these? Draw lines. Okay, so now and you're going to draw lines. Okay, how about the sky? Can you circle the sky and so encircle the sky. Can I see it? Oh, do you know how to do it, Anne?
No.
Oh, okay. So just tell me, where is the sky, Anne? You just tell teacher.
Above the school.
Okay, very good. It's above the school. So next one, how about the seat?
It's above the grass.
It's above the grass. Okay, this one?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, and how about the skateboard? Where is it?
It's under the girl's legs.
Under the girl's legs. This one?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about the backpack?
It's under it's above the grass.
It's above the grass. Where?
The green one.
The what color? Ah, this one.
Green.
Okay, it's the green one. Very good. Now, how about the bicycle? Where is it?
It's on the road.
It is on the road. Okay, this one. Very good. How about the grass? Where is it, Anne?
It's on the ground.
It's on the ground. Okay,
Ground.
this one?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this is the grass. Okay, how about the sunglasses, Anne? Where is it?
It's in front of the boy's eyes.
Okay, it's on the front of the boy's eyes. And last one, how about the roof?
It's in the sky.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, so it's above the school or near the sky is correct.
Yes.
Okay, let us check. All right, very good. You got a perfect score. Good job, Anne, for the first activity. You got 8 points. Okay, nice try. Next one, Anne. Game. Find the difference. Okay, this is very exciting. Find the difference. All right, so Anne, can you explain the difference between the two pictures?
The boy wear the blue shirt. In the left picture is wearing a sunglasses. The boy in the right picture is wearing a glasses.
Okay, that's correct. What else?
The girl wearing the girl is wearing yellow shirt. The girl in the right picture is wearing a t-shirt.
Okay, and then?
In the left picture, in the girl shirt has many spots.
Okay, very good. What else?
In the right picture is no spots.
And then what else?
The green bag in the left picture is on the grass.
Mm-hmm.
And the green bag is on the chair in
Okay.
the right picture.
Very good. What else?
Um, uh, the boys in a gray science shirt is
Mm-hmm.
sitting on the chair. But in the right picture, he is sitting on the ground.
Very good. What else?
The boy is holding a monster picture.
Mm-hmm.
In the right picture, the boy is holding a moon picture.
Okay, that's correct. There's more. What else?
In the left picture, the teacher
Mm-hmm.
is running.
Okay.
But in the right picture, the teacher was walking.
Okay, is walking. What else? I can see more. I think there's 3 more. Mm-hmm.
The book in the left picture is floating, but in the right picture is on the road.
What's that? What's that?
The book.
Book. Oh, wait, I cannot see the book. Oh, here. This one?
Yes.
Here. It's on the floor. Well, this one is floating. Okay, that's correct. What else? How about the girl in the orange coat or sweater?
No. In the right picture, the girl skateboard is purple. But in the right picture is pink.
Okay. One more.
In the left picture, there was a bird flying in. There is 2 birds on the roof.
Okay.
But in the right picture, there is no birds.
Okay. One more. How about the bag? Bag of the girl.
In the left picture, the bag of the girl is oval. In the right picture is rectangle.
Okay, very good. All right, so those are the correct answer for this activity. Now let us check.
Teacher,
One more. Where?
One more. Here.
Can you tell me where?
Is behind the teacher. Teacher.
Here. Behind the teacher.
Okay.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. The papers were flying, while on the next picture,
Have 2.
Yes, it has two. Okay, very good. It's very good that you noticed it. Okay, now let us check. Okay, very good. All your answers are correct. Okay, let's see. Now, say how the pictures are different. Okay, you explained it already. Okay, very good. And now, let's have this. These are the correct answers for that activity. Example, number 1, the skateboard is purple and gray, pink and yellow. That's correct. Next one, the boy is sitting on the seat, and the other one was on the grass. There's an alien, a moon, or on the screen. There are 2 birds and no birds on the roof. There's a backpack in front of, and the other one is on the seat. Next one, the girl with the pink bag is wearing a sweater, and the other one is wearing a t-shirt only. Very good. Okay, so now, and let's answer the following questions, okay? Answer yes or no. So number 1, one of the boys is riding a blue bicycle. Yes or no?
I have the picture.
Oh, you have it?
I have
Or do you want to see it again?
the picture.
Oh, here. Finish? Did you remember? Okay now?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now, and answer the questions by yes or no. So number 1, one of the boys is riding a blue bicycle.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here we have a picture. So the answer is a yes. So number 2, there are pink and white flowers in the grass.
No.
No, because what's the color?
It's yellow.
Okay, number 3, only one of the backpack is pink.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Answer in number 3 is yes. Number 4. Oh, next one. There is a yellow moon on the girl's skateboard.
No.
No, because what is it? What is on the skateboard?
Thunder.
Thunder. Next
Thunder.
one. You can see a lot of gray clouds in the sky.
No.
No, because?
It's white.
Okay, it's white. Next one. Both seats in this playground are brown.
Yes.
Yes, it's correct. Next one. There is a lorry in the road behind the school.
What is the lorry?
Lorry is a truck.
Yes.
Okay, yes, there is a truck behind the school. Next one. You can see more than one cow in the field under the rainbow.
No.
No, because how many can you see?
I just see one.
Okay, very good. Because there is only one cow in the field. Okay, good job. You got 6 points. Very good, Anne. Okay, next one. Listen and write the answers. Okay, so now, Anne, teacher will be playing an audio file, and then I want you to remember the details, okay? Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin.
1D. Hello again. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Is that your new game, Robert? Yes. but it's quite difficult to play.
But you're really good at computer games.
Not always. Shall I teach you how to play it?
Okay, yes. What's it called?
Silver Moon.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
So, it's a new game. When did you get it?
It was my birthday last Friday. My grandparents gave it to me when they came to see me that day. I really love it.
Let me see. Can you play it with another person?
Yes, my brother and I played it a lot yesterday. We had lots of fun with it, but he always wants to win.
So, who's that alien? The one on the screen?
It's called Zappy. You spell that Z-A-P-P-Y. There's a website too, where you can choose other aliens to add to the game.
Wow! Its face is a funny colour green. Is its body green too?
Yes, but its feet are orange. Look.
Okay, so what happens in the game?
The alien hops from one place to another, and you've got to give it food because it gets tired. It collects socks from different places.
What do you mean?
It loves socks. It takes them from washing lines in people's gardens and puts them in its backpack. It likes socks that are any colour, but red ones are its favourite.
I don't think I want to play it, Robert. Skateboarding is much more exciting.
Okay, so now let's answer. So the favorite game of Robert is Silver Moon. Now, when does he got this game?
Last Friday.
Okay, so the answer is last
1D.
Friday.
Hello again.
Okay, now play this game with
His brother.
his brother. Now, what is the name of the alien in the game?
Zappy.
Zappy. What's the color of alien's feet?
Orange.
Orange. And last one, alien likes finding
Socks.
socks. Okay, good job. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. 5 points for this activity. All right. So, okay, Anne, we are finished with our lesson for tonight. So,
Yes.
we are going to see you again on Tuesday. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Goodbye, Anne. Chuk ngungon.
Good night.
Good night.